Hermes AI plus Karpathy LLM Wiki is insane. You've been using AI wrong. You've been asking it questions, getting answers, and then losing all of it every single session. Gone. You start from zero every time. All that research, all those insights, wasted. There's a better way. And it just landed. Hey, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, and today I'm walking you through something that dropped just days ago that genuinely stopped me in my tracks. Two tools just came together in a way nobody was expecting. Hermes Agent from Noose Research and Andrej Karpathy's LLM Wiki. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what this is, why it matters, and how to use it to build a knowledge base that gets smarter over time. Let's get into it. So first, what problem are we actually solving? Most people's experience with AI and documents looks like this. You upload files, ask questions, the AI stitches together an answer. That's RAG. And it works, but every single time you ask a question, the AI starts from scratch. It's rediscovering the same information over and over. No memory, no accumulation, no compounding. Nothing is being built up. Andrej Karpathy, one of the most respected names in AI, a founding team member of OpenAI and former director of AI at Tesla, published a document just days ago on April 4th, 2026. It got over 5,000 stars on GitHub in under 48 hours. And the idea in it is deceptively simple. He calls it LLM Wiki. Instead of retrieving from raw documents every time, you let the AI build and maintain a persistent wiki, a structured, interlinked collection of markdown files that sits between you and your raw sources. When you add a new source, the AI doesn't just index it, it reads it, extracts the key information, and integrates it into the existing wiki. It updates pages, it revises summaries, it notes where new information contradicts old claims. The knowledge gets compiled once and kept current, not rediscovered every single time. The wiki is a persistent compounding artifact. The cross-references are already there, the contradictions already flagged, and it keeps getting richer with every source you add. You never write it yourself. You source and ask good questions. The AI does everything else. Karpathy describes it as the LLM on one side, Obsidian open on the other. The LLM is the programmer. The wiki is the code base. Now here's where Hermes Agent comes in. And this is where it gets really interesting. Hermes Agent is an open source AI agent built by Noose Research. The tagline on the GitHub repo is simple, the agent that grows with you. And that's not marketing. What makes Hermes different from most agents is that it has a built-in learning loop. It creates skills from experience, improves them as you use it, and builds a deeper model of who you are across sessions. It has over 26,000 stars on GitHub. It's on a $5 VPS or a GPU cluster. Supports over 200 models through OpenRouter. Switch with one command, no lock-in. Connects to Telegram, Discord, Slack, WhatsApp, and Signal. And it has a skill system, a library of procedures it learns and improves over time. Now here's the part that's getting people excited. The latest update to Hermes Agent now comes packaged with Karpathy's LLM Wiki as a built-in skill. You run Hermes update, then use the / command LLM Wiki followed by your research topic, and it starts building. The Noose research team showed this off by using it to study their own projects, web sources, code, research papers. Hermes read through all of it and built a structured knowledge base across everything Noose research has been building. A large body of research work created in a short amount of time. And that's the kind of output that used to take weeks of manual effort. When I first started working with knowledge management tools, I was overwhelmed. Too many options, too many workflows, and I kept losing track of what actually worked. That's when I created a community called AI Profit Boardroom. We have over 2,000 members all focused on learning AI together and sharing what actually works. It's where I test new workflows like this one before I make a video about it. The community shares real use cases and practical implementations. If you're serious about using AI to improve your work and skills, check it out. Link in the description. Let me break down how LLM Wiki actually works so you understand what's happening. There are 3 layers. The first is your raw sources, documents, articles, papers, data files. These are immutable. The AI reads from them but never changes them. Your source of truth. The second is the wiki itself, a folder of AI-generated markdown files, summaries, entity pages, concept pages, comparisons, a synthesis. The AI owns this layer. It creates pages, updates them when new sources arrive, maintains cross-references, and keeps everything consistent. You read it, the AI writes it. The third is the schema, a configuration document that tells the AI how the wiki is structured, what the conventions are, and what to do when you add new sources or ask questions. This is what makes the AI a disciplined knowledge organizer rather than just a generic chatbot. You and the agent evolve this together over time. There are 3 core operations: ingest, You drop a new source in and tell the AI to process it. It reads the document, pulls out key takeaways, writes a summary page, updates the index, and touches any relevant pages across the wiki. A single source might update 10 to 15 different pages. That's where the compounding starts. Query. You ask questions. The AI searches relevant pages and gives you a synthesized answer with citations. Here's a smart insight from Karpathy's document. Good answers can be filed back into the wiki as new pages. A comparison you asked for. An analysis. A connection you discovered. These shouldn't disappear into chat history. Your explorations compound just like ingested sources do. Lint. You ask the AI to health check the wiki. Look for contradictions, stale information, orphan pages, missing connections. It also suggests new questions to investigate and new sources to find. This keeps the wiki healthy as it grows. Now let's talk about who should actually care about this and what it looks like in practice. Research is going deep on a topic over weeks or months. Every paper you read gets integrated into what you already know. One structured wiki instead of scattered notes. Content creators researching for videos or articles. A research vault that compounds over time instead of starting fresh every topic. Developers. Hermes can read your codebase, docs, and papers and keep everything organized. Business teams. Feed Slack threads, meeting transcripts, and customer calls into a wiki the AI keeps current, without anyone on the team having to do the maintenance. Karpathy makes a point here that's really underrated. The tedious part of maintaining a knowledge base isn't the reading or thinking. It's the bookkeeping, updating cross-references, keeping summaries current. Humans abandon wikis because the maintenance burden grows faster than the value. An AI agent doesn't get bored, doesn't forget a cross-reference, and can touch 15 files in one pass. A few practical tips for using this. Install Hermes agent with one command on Linux, macOS, or WSL2. Then run Hermes update to get the latest version with the LLM Wiki skill included. To start a wiki on any topic, type LLMWiki followed by your research topic. Use Obsidian as your viewer. It's free. The graph view shows how all your pages connect. What's a hub? What's an orphan? What needs more links? Use the Obsidian Web Clipper browser extension to grab articles as markdown. Drop them into your raw sources folder and tell the agent to ingest. 2 files help you navigate as the wiki grows. The index is a catalog of everything with one-line summaries per page. The log is a chronological record of what the agent has done. The agent reads the index first before answering any question. At smaller scales, you don't need complex search infrastructure. The schema is worth investing time in. It's the rulebook for how the AI maintains the wiki. The better your schema, the better your wiki. One last thing. Karpathy connects this to Vannevar Bush's Memex from 1945, a personal knowledge store with associative trails between documents. Private, actively curated. The part Bush couldn't solve was who does the maintenance. Now we have the answer. If you're looking to dive deeper into AI tools and actually implement them in your work, I recommend AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 people learning how to use AI effectively. Everyone shares real experiences. What's working? What's not? Which tools are worth your time? Which ones to skip? No hype. Just solid information and practical guidance from people doing the work. It's helped me stay on top of updates and figure out how to actually apply them. Link in description if you want to check it out. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 58,000 members who are crushing it with AI. If this video was useful, hit subscribe. New AI tools and workflows every week. See you in the next one.